Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hayle Olson. I upload videos every single Monday, Wednesday, and occasionally on Fridays. For today's video, I thought I would share with you guys my recent order from Grove Collaborative. I usually order something from them every month, and what it is just cleaning and home and personal care products at a reduced rate. If you want to follow me on social media, my Instagram and Twitter handle is just my full name, @Hayle Olson. So for today's video, I thought I would do an unboxing for you. I recently got my monthly order from Grove Collaborative, and I thought it would be interesting to open it up on box, show you guys the products, and tell you a little bit about the company itself. I've got my laptop sitting right in front of me so that I can better explain what the company is and exactly what their mission is. So real quick, their mission is to inspire every family to create and sustain a healthy, beautiful home. Together we can bring sustainability, safety, and transparency to an industry long dominated by products laden with harmful chemicals that put profit before customer and environmental health. So that is their mission, and I completely stand by that. There are so many products on the shelves that are full of chemicals and are not good for ourselves and the environment. So being able to go to a website like Grove Collaborative and be able to pick from any of their products because they've all been certified and meet their standards for being all natural, healthy, and sustainable makes sense to me. So what it is they have flexible reoccurring shipments. And that's kind of a mouthful. What it means is that you can choose to have a monthly box shipped to your house. And the contents inside that box are chosen completely by yourself. It's not like a subscription box where you don't know what's in it. You choose the products and you pay for the products that are inside. That being said, Grove Collaborative offers two subscription options. They've got a free option where you don't have to pay anything except for the products that you're purchasing and the shipping. The second option is their VIP option. It's $20 a year, and it includes free shipping for all of your boxes, and then you also get additional free full-size products throughout the year. The thing that I like about this monthly box is that I get to pick the items that go in it. The very first box that I ordered was full of cleaning supplies because we recently had ran out. This box has a bunch of random stuff in it because I was just recently on their website browsing around trying to figure out what else they had to offer, and I was just randomly picking products that I knew would help benefit me and that I wanted to try out as well. Real quick before we jump into this box, I wanted to mention that I have a coupon code for you guys. If you sign up through my link, HayleOlson.com/Grove, you will get a free 5-piece gift set, and this is going to include full-size products. And the thing that I love about the Grove website is that there's going to be random things that pop up that say claim your free gift right now, and when you click it, it just gets added to your cart and it's completely free. You don't have to spend a certain amount. It's just these fun little free gifts that show up whenever you're browsing on the website. I was really happy with the very first box that I got from Grove, so I continue to get more products each month, kind of test things out and see what I like. So this month I got all new things that I haven't tried before, and I thought I would share them with you guys. All right, let's get into this box finally. So I just got the shipping label on the top, and there's a little note that just says thanks. Another great thing about Grove is that they have amazing packaging. They make sure that all of the products are safe, they're not gonna leak, and they're well protected. All right, so here's just a look inside the box real quick before I start pulling things out. First off, we've got two liquid products, and they are inside of a plastic bag so they don't leak anywhere. The first thing in that plastic bag is this Method 4x concentrated laundry detergent. And we just recently ran out of laundry detergent last week, so it was perfect timing. But I got the Fresh Air scent. I've never tried this scent, so I'm not entirely sure if I'm gonna love it. I have been using Method laundry detergents for a couple years now, and I've loved them. What excites me about the 4x concentrated though is that I'm not gonna have to use as much liquid as I would a normal detergent. The next thing in the bag is this Little Moon Essentials Aromatherapy Sleep Comes Easy Sleep Inspiring Mist. I just read you guys every single word that was on the front of this bottle. I saw this on the website. It was one of the new products that they recently added, and I've mentioned in my vlogs recently, I've been having a really hard time sleeping. And the idea of just like a sleep mist that I could kind of spray around my bedroom or spray on my pillow that will kind of relax me and help me get into that like groove of sleep seemed like a really good idea. So I decided to pick it up. We're gonna try it out and see how it goes. All right, so the next thing inside of this box is the Zarbee's Natural Immune Support and Multivitamin Drink Mix. I was just, like I said, I was just browsing around their website, kind of looking at everything, and I saw this and I thought it would be a really good idea. I'm excited to try this out. I've never done any kind of drink mix that's kind of immune boosting, multivitamin kind of thing. So I'm curious how it's gonna go. The reviews said that it tasted pretty well, so I'm not really concerned about the taste. I'm just curious if I will notice any kind of changes within my mood, how I'm feeling, anything like that. So I'm gonna try these out and see. The last two things in my box are Aunt Franny's cleaning vinegar wipes. I got 2 containers of them in sweet mandarin and then fresh lime mint. I was really excited to find these because in college I loved using Clorox wipes just to quickly wipe things down and get things clean. But I hate the idea of Clorox. They're just full of chemicals, they're not good for you. And then at the same time, growing up, my mom frequently used vinegar solutions to clean around the house. So when I saw these vinegar cleaning wipes, I was like, oh my gosh, it's a win-win situation. I got the 2 cents just to try them out, see which one we like better. A lot of the reviews said that they had a really strong vinegar scent, which I personally don't mind. It usually dies off after a while, it's not a big deal. But I'm excited to use these just to do daily quick wipe downs on the counters in the bathroom and in the kitchen. So I figured these would be good to have and try out and see if I like them. All right, you guys, that's going to be it for this month's box. If you liked this video and you want me to continue doing these monthly unboxings when I get an order from Grove, just let me know down in the comments. I would love to do that and share that with you guys. And then maybe 2 weeks after I've opened the box, I can do another video reviewing all the items that I got if they are new and I've never tried them before. So let me know what you think about that down in the comments. But other than that, I think I'm gonna let you guys go here. If you are interested in signing up for Grove Collaborative, make sure to use my link so that you get those free products. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to comment, like, share this video. It really supports me and my channel. And other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.